Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is just simple, where we make skincare product with simple ingredients. Today we are going to make a turmeric emulsified turmeric body butter. So this body butter is very light on your skin and it absorbs very well. So we are going to start with our first one, which is phase A, which is water phase. So we are going to start by weighing our distilled water. So I'm making like 1,200 grams. So I'm going to start by weighing my water, and then I'm going to add rose water. You can add any hydrosol. You can add like aloe vera juice. Yeah, those products are very good for your skin. So I'm going to weigh the rose water. The rose water is very nice for your skin. It tones your skin. So adding it in your butter, it's very nice. It will it's an added advantage to your skin. And also I'm going to need glycerin. So glycerin, it will act as humectant, meaning it will draw moisture into our skin. So I'm going to weigh my glycerin. Yeah, so and if you don't have glycerin, you can always use honey. Also, honey is a very nice humectant also. So if you don't have glycerin, use honey. So I'm going to weigh my glycerin, and then after this I'm going to mix them very well. So this is my water phase. So I'm going to mix it to combine all the ingredients together. And then I'm going to keep this one aside after I mix it, so that I can go to phase B. So when you're making any lotion, any conditioner, any shampoo, like any cream, yeah, so anything that need to be emulsified, there is phase A, B, and C. So our phase B now, it's to add our oil. So we are going to weigh our oils. So for me, I'm weighing my butters. So because this is a butter, emulsified butter, so I'm going to start with cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a hard butter and it's very nice. It's very good for your skin. Yeah. And then I'm going to weigh my shea butter. Shea butter is a softer butter, and if you don't have cocoa butter, you can use shea butter only. And you can also add any other butter that you have, like mango butter, avocado butter. All those butter, they work very well as well. So I'm going to weigh my shea butter. So on this, on my oil phase, I'm going to I'm adding the cocoa butter, the shea butter, and then I'm going to need emulsifying wax. So this emulsifying wax is the one that is going to help the oil and the water to combine. So when you use the emulsifying wax, the water and the oil will not separate. And then I'm going to need cetyl alcohol. This is the thickener. It is going to thicken our butter. So, and if you don't have cetyl alcohol, you can use citric acid. Yeah, that one will also work very well. So yeah, I'm going to add also rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is very nice for your skin, and you can use any other oil that you have. There's jojoba, there's sweet almond oil, there's olive oil, and be creative, be creative. So now I'm going to put them on the double boiler for the oils to melt. And remember, you need to put also your water phase in the double boiler, so that they can be at the same temperature with the oils. Yeah, so after the oil has melted and the water is heated up, I'm going to mix them together. Yeah, so I'm going to pour the oils into the water. Yeah, some do pour water into the oils, but in either way it will work. So I'm going to pour water, oils into the water and start mixing. Yeah, and don't worry, it's very watery, but as it cools down, it's going to thicken up. Yeah, so just mix the ingredients together until everything is well combined, and then leave it, cover it, and then leave it for it to cool down. Yeah, and once it's cooled down, you're going to notice that it's starting to thicken up. Yeah, so yeah, cover it and wait for some time. So mine has thickened up, and I'm mixing it with the hand blender, so hand mixer. So mix it very well until everything is well incorporated. Yeah, so mine has thickened up, it has cooled down, so now I can go ahead to phase C, where I'm going to add my preservative and my other ingredients. This is where now you add your preservative, your essential oil, your fragrance oil. Yeah, so for me, I'm going to add vitamin E oil. I'm not adding essential oil on this one because I'm going to use it on my face. So any fragrance oil, I'm not going to add any fragrance oil. I'm not going to add any essential oil, though they are very nice for the smell. Essential oil are good for your skin, but I'm not going to add them. I'm going to skip them, so it's optional. So I'm adding also my turmeric extract. So this one is the main ingredient in this butter, because this is it's helped to clear dark spot, help with skin pigmentation. Yeah, it brightens the skin, it helps your skin to glow, it has very many good properties. So this turmeric extract is very nice for your skin, so I'm going to add that, and it's a bit stronger than turmeric oil, so yeah, that's why I use turmeric extract. And this extract, I made it myself, it's very easy to make. Yeah, so I'm going to mix that. I'm going to mix that very well until it combines with oil. Yeah, so I'm just going to use a spoon to mix this one. You can use a whisk. Yeah, so just mix until it is all combined together. And then after this, I'm going to add my preservative. The reason why I need a preservative is because we used water. Whenever you use water in any product, you need a preservative, yeah, to prevent the bacteria from getting into your product. So I'm using a liquid germall plus. So yeah, so you can use any preservative that you have. There are so many preservative out there. Yeah, so you can use any. So I'm going to add my preservative now, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix it together so the preservative can get into the product. Yeah, so yeah, and we are done with our phase C. So once we mix everything together, we are going to cover it for it to cool down completely, because we cannot put it in the container like this because it's a bit warm, so we will need it to cool down completely. So now after it has cooled down, this is the texture. It's thickened up, it looks like creamy like texture. Yeah, so it looks like a lotion but creamier than a lotion. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It has cooled down completely, it has thickened up. Yeah, so this is how it's looking like after I'm packaging it to my containers. Yeah, and this is how it looks on the skin, like it feels on the skin. It's very light on the skin. Yeah, it absorbs very easily in the skin. It's not greasy. Yeah, so, and it's very moisturizing as well, and once you use it, your skin feels very soft. So yeah, I hope you can try this one. Yeah, so this one is different with the other whipped body butter, because the whipped body butter is just oils. You just yeah, oils, and then you whip the oils together. So this one, it has water. That's why this has this consistency. It's not heavy on your skin. So yeah, this is my butter, and thank you for watching, and I hope you can try this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.